after watching the physical manipulation of the objects, I would have to come to the conclusion.
Having an earthquake here.
It does have paranormal activity.
I don't know if it's still going. The blinds are shaking. Everything is shaking. 4th of July, having an earthquake.
After you've been there to realize that we are haunted.
We are having an earthquake right now on the 4th of July. What the hell? It is still shaking. Wow. Damn.
At the very same time, I actually caught an orb that was traveling into the tunnel. You just don't know what you're gonna hear next.
That's just awesome. It's not what I wanted to happen today. My favorite day of all days.
Not sure how I feel about being quiet.
Shit.
I have been in a relationship for like less than 2 years. 2 years? I was more of a patient when it came to my virginity.
Real sexy.
It is
Do you really want to do
10:36. I think it started around 10:33. Clothes are still kind of swinging. Yeah, that's it. That was a big one. It must have been far away because it rolled for a long time. So I take it that was kind of far away, but it lasted a long time.
It's not a bet. It's a revolution in
Damn.
sleep.